The American Revolution was driven by bold leaders who dared to challenge British rule, and among them was Samuel Adams, a passionate patriot, political strategist, and master of revolution. Often called the father of the American Revolution, Adams played a crucial role in mobilizing colonists, organizing resistance, and shaping the birth of a new nation. But who was Samuel Adams, and how did he influence the fight for independence? Let's dive into his story and his lasting impact on American history. Chapter 1. Early Life and Political Awakening. Born in 1722 in Boston, Massachusetts, Samuel Adams grew up in a politically active household. He attended Harvard College, where he studied political theory and developed strong views on individual rights and self-governance. As British policies became more oppressive, Adams became increasingly vocal against taxation without representation. His early writings criticized British rule and called for greater autonomy for the colonies. Chapter 2. The Sons of Liberty and Acts of Defiance. By the 1760s, Adams emerged as one of the leading figures in colonial resistance. He co-founded the Sons of Liberty, a secret organization dedicated to opposing British authority. Through fiery speeches and writings, Adams helped organize protests against the Stamp Act, 1765, and the Townshend Acts, 1767, which imposed taxes on the colonies. One of Adams' most famous acts was his role in orchestrating the Boston Tea Party, 1773. In response to the Tea Act, Adams and other patriots led a daring protest, dumping British tea into Boston Harbor as a powerful symbol of defiance. This event escalated tensions and led to Britain imposing the coercive acts, Intolerable Acts, further fueling revolutionary sentiment. Chapter 3. The Road to Revolution. As resistance to British rule intensified, Adams played a key role in forming the Committees of Correspondence, which helped unify the colonies by spreading revolutionary ideas. He was also a delegate to the First and Second Continental Congresses, where he advocated for independence and helped shape the foundations of the rebellion. In April 1775, British troops were ordered to arrest Samuel Adams and John Hancock in Lexington, believing they were key instigators of the rebellion. This led to Paul Revere's Midnight Ride, warning of the British advance and sparking the battles of Lexington and Concord, the first shots of the American Revolution. Chapter 4. Signing the Declaration of Independence. As the war raged on, Adams pushed for a complete break from Britain. On July 4, 1776, he signed the Declaration of Independence, cementing his place as one of the founding fathers of the United States. His fiery rhetoric and unwavering commitment to liberty helped inspire others to join the cause. Chapter 5. Later Life and Legacy. After the war, Adams continued to shape the new nation. He helped draft the Massachusetts Constitution and later served as the state's governor. Though he gradually stepped away from national politics, his influence on American democracy remained strong. Samuel Adams' legacy lives on as a symbol of resistance, patriotism, and dedication to liberty. Without his leadership, the American Revolution might have taken a very different course. Conclusion. Samuel Adams wasn't just a founding father, he was a revolutionary force that helped ignite the flames of independence. His words, actions, and relentless pursuit of freedom played a crucial role in shaping the United States. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Samuel Adams and the American Revolution, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more historical content. Let us know in the comments, what do you think was Adams' greatest contribution to the revolution?